What if the next Harley-Davidson isn't just another cruiser, but the bike that brings the Sportster back to the top of the streets again? Yeah, that's the rumor blowing up right now around the new 2026 Harley-Davidson Sportster. And honestly, this thing could change everything for Harley fans. Because let's be real, the old Sportster had attitude, raw sound, classic American muscle vibes. But a lot of younger riders started looking at other brands because they wanted more speed, more tech, and a more aggressive look. Harley knew that, and now it looks like they're fighting back hard. The biggest talk right now is that the 2026 Sportster could come with a sharper design, more power, and a setup that feels way more modern without losing that old-school Harley soul. And that balance, that's the hard part. From leaked reports and insider chatter, Harley is expected to keep the Revolution Max platform alive. That means liquid cooling, stronger acceleration, smoother highway performance, and way better handling than older Sportsters. Basically, this isn't your uncle's Harley anymore. And here's where it gets interesting. People are saying Harley might push the new Sportster into a more aggressive street fighter direction. Lower stance, wider bars, muscular tank, chunkier tires, almost like a mix between a classic American cruiser and a modern performance naked bike. Imagine pulling up at a red light next to sport bikes and not looking outdated anymore. That's the vibe Harley seems to be chasing. Now, obviously, Harley-Davidson hasn't confirmed every detail yet. Some of this is still speculation, but multiple motorcycle insiders believe the engine could get a slight tuning upgrade for stronger mid-range torque. And honestly, that's exactly what riders want. Nobody buys a Harley just to stare at numbers on paper. They want that punch when the light turns green, that deep growl on the highway, that feeling when people turn their heads as you roll by. And the new Sportster might finally deliver all of that together. One thing fans are really hoping for is reduced weight. Older Harley cruisers could feel heavy in city traffic, especially for newer riders. But the newer generation Sportsters already started changing that story. If Harley cuts even more weight for 2026, this bike could become one of the most fun urban cruisers in the lineup. And yeah, there's also talk about upgraded electronics, possible ride modes, better traction control, improved TFT display, maybe even updated smartphone connectivity. That might sound normal for sport bike riders, but for Harley traditionalists, that's a huge shift. Some hardcore fans love it, others think Harley is becoming too modern. But honestly, Harley probably has no choice. The motorcycle world is changing fast. Riders in their 20s and 30s want performance and style. They want tech and personality. And Harley knows they can't survive only selling nostalgia forever. And if you're enjoying this breakdown so far, hit that like button and subscribe, because the motorcycle world in 2026 is getting absolutely crazy. Now, let's talk sound. Because if Harley messes up the exhaust mode, fans will riot. Seriously, the sound of a Harley is almost as important as the engine itself. The company understands that better than anyone. So even with modern engineering and emission rules getting stricter, expect Harley to tune this bike for maximum attitude. Deep, punchy, aggressive, not silent, not soft, a real Harley. And another thing people are watching closely is price. This is a big one. If Harley prices the new Sportster too high, younger riders may skip it completely and jump to brands like Yamaha, Kawasaki, or Honda. But if Harley keeps the pricing competitive while adding performance upgrades, that could be dangerous for the competition. Because there's still something special about owning a Harley-Davidson. The brand carries history, culture, identity. You're not just buying transportation, you're buying a lifestyle. And the new Sportster could become the entry point for a whole new generation of riders in America. Now, visually, rumors suggest Harley may offer darker factory color schemes again, blacked-out engines, matte finishes, bronze accents, more aggressive LED lighting, basically a factory custom look straight out of the showroom. That's smart, because riders today want bikes that already look customized before they even touch them. No waiting, no massive upgrades, just buy it and ride. And honestly, if Harley nails the design, this thing could explode all over YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram motorcycle culture overnight, especially in the US. You know how people are right now. They want bikes that look cinematic on highways at sunset, bikes that sound brutal in parking garages, bikes that feel rebellious again. That emotional connection matters, and Harley understands emotion better than almost any motorcycle company on earth. But here's the real thing nobody is talking about. The success of the 2026 Sportster may decide Harley's future direction for the next decade. That sounds dramatic, but it's true. If younger riders embrace this bike, Harley wins big. If they reject it, Harley has a serious problem. No pressure, right? Right now, expectations are massive. Fans want modern performance without losing Harley identity. That's the challenge, and honestly, it's one of the hardest balancing acts in the motorcycle industry. But if Harley pulls this off, the Sportster comeback could be legendary. So now, I gotta ask you, would you actually buy the 2026 Harley-Davidson Sportster over a Japanese naked bike or modern sport bike? Or do you think Harley is still stuck in the past?